The compression spring calculator force rate stress determines spring rate, force at compressed length, and maximum shear stress for helical compression springs. Let's walk through the inputs. First, select your material from the drop-down menu, which includes music wire, oil-tempered wire, stainless steel 302-304, chrome silicon, and phosphor bronze, each with their respective shear modulus values. For this example, I'm using music wire with a shear modulus of 11.5 million psi. Next, enter wire diameter D in inches, then coil outside diameter D in inches, followed by free length L0 in inches, active coils N sub A, and finally compressed length for force calc in inches. Here's our worked example. With wire diameter of 0.050 inches, coil outside diameter of 0.500 inches, free length of 2000 inches, active coils of 10.5, and compressed length of 1500 inches, clicking Calculate Spring Properties gives us three critical results. The spring rate K equals 6.85 pounds force per inch, telling us the spring stiffness. Force at length shows 3.42 pounds force, which is the load when compressed to our specified 1.500 inches. Maximum shear stress reaches 34,863 psi, indicating the stress level in the wire at this compression. This calculator streamlines your spring design process. Find the link in the description below.